The Silentsystem 3-channel SX-839 headphones offer high-definition audio, an elegant and avant-garde design, and comfortable over-ear cups. They're equipped with simple and essential controls, which we've summarized for you in this video tutorial. Press the power button on the back of the right ear cup to turn the device on and off. On the back of the left ear cup, manage the selector for the 3 different reception and listening channels, indicated by the blue, red, and green LEDs. Adjust the volume independently with the potentiometer wheel for a personalized and always pleasant listening experience. Use the mini jack input for a direct wired connection. The SX-839 headphones are perfect for a wide range of uses, including parties and nightclubs, concerts and festivals, conferences and meetings, recording studios, and industry professionals.